Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter number system, okay, of class 9th. Exercise 1.3 we are doing question number 3. All the previous questions we have already completed. You guys can go and check it out the playlist. Now let's check it out what the question is saying. Express the following in the form of P upon Q, okay, means we have to express these in the form of rational numbers where P and Q are integers, P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0, okay. So now over here the number 1 is given 0.6, the bar is there, okay. It means the number is continuing itself, okay. It is like this 0.6666666 and so on. It is going like this, okay. So what we will do, we can write it down this number in this form, okay. We can consider, let 0.6 is there, okay. So we will let the number be x. We will find it out that this number is x. So x is equals to 0.6, okay. Now what we have to do, 0.6, the bar is there. You have to check it out first of all that in how many numbers the bar is present, okay. The bar is there over one number, it means we will multiply the number with 10, okay, because over one number there is a bar. So multiply both side by 10, okay. So what will happen, if I will multiply, it will become 10x is equals to 6.6. We can write it down because the number is continuing itself, okay, and we can put the bar over here because this number is continuing itself again and again, okay. So we can write down in this particular manner, okay. Then what we have to do, this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Now what we will do, we will subtract these two, okay. Subtract equation number 2 from 1, okay. So we will subtract 10x is equals to 6.6 by x is equals to 0.6. We can put the bar, we can subtract it, it will become 9x is equals to, okay, 6. So x is equals to 6 upon 9, and we can 3 2 just 6 and 3 3 just 9. So x is equals to 2 upon 3, okay, and this is the answer, okay. So this particular number is in the form of P upon Q now, okay, and this is the form of P upon Q, okay, and where Q is not equals to 0, Q is not equals to 0. Okay, I hope so you guys understood that how we have done it. The question is very easy, just you have to consider the numbers as x, okay, and then move forward like this, okay. Now question number, part 2 of this, the number is 0.47, okay. So first of all what we have to do, you have to write it down, let this number be x, okay, let the number be x. So we can write it down, x is equals to 0.47 and we have to put the bar over it, okay. Now you can see that in how many numbers bar are there, 2 numbers, in 2 numbers bar is there, okay. So what we have to do, we have to multiply this particular number by 100 because we have to, 2 numbers are there which are in bars, so we have to put 2 zeros after 1, okay. So multiply equation 1 both side by 100. So it will become 100x is equals to 47.47 and we have to put the bar over there because 4747 is repeating itself, okay. Now subtract equation number 1 from 2, okay. Subtract equation 1 from 2, okay. So we can subtract 100x is equals to 47.47 and x is equals to 0.47. You can put the bar, it will become 99x is equals to 47, okay. Now x is equals to 47 upon 99. We can leave it over here also, okay. So this is the answer, okay, because the number we cannot cut this numbers, okay. So this is the answer. Now let's move to the third part of this particular question. 0.001, the bar is over three numbers, okay. You have to be very careful while counting the bars after on how many numbers the bar is there, okay. So you have to be very accurate in that, okay. So what we have to do, we have to first of all let the number be x. So we will say that x is equals to 0.001. We can write it down like this, okay. Now what we have to do, we multiply the equation number 1 by 1000. So it will become 1000x is equals to 1.001, okay. Now subtract equation 2 from 1, sorry, equation 1 from 2, equation 1 from 2. So the equation 2 is 1000x is equals to 1.001 and x is equals to 0.001, okay. So it will become 999x is equals to 1, okay. So we can write it down, x is equals to 1 upon 999, and this is the answer, okay. I hope you guys understood that how we have done it. The question is very easy. Just clear your concept first of all. Go and watch the introduction part. I have explained this particular portion, that why you have to put the how many zeros that you have to put, okay, on the numbers, okay, when the bar is there in over one number, two number, or three numbers, okay. So next question we will do in the next video, and have a wonderful day ahead guys. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care.